Drake's Kitchen Watchers? Yeah, dogs, we're making some chocolate popovers today, or chocolate gushers. Alright, so we're gonna, geez, that was loud. We're gonna start with some biscuits. So we're gonna start with 2 cups of flour, tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of baking soda. We're gonna use about a tablespoon of salt. Actually, it's a little less than a tablespoon. It's gonna be 3/4. Use 3/4 cup of milk. Mix this stuff up. And we're also going to use 6 tablespoons of butter. So this is just shy of a full stick. The trick to this recipe is to freeze your butter. You want that butter to be really, really rock solid, because what we're actually going to do is we're going to shave this joker inside there. Makes better biscuits, trust me, more flaky, more crispy. It is super easy to do. You're going to take the strainer, cheese grater, take your pin or rolling rod, tape it to the pin. Now we're going to start shaving the butter. But the reason you freeze it is you get to that really, really cold temperature. We're just going to shave this joker.
Yeah, this takes like 5 more minutes compared to just using Pillsbury biscuit dough, but 10 times better. You can also use croissant dough. I'll make another video on how to make croissants. You'll be able to make some croissants and do it yourself. This makes the flaky biscuits. Get all that dough up. Get some flour on that surface. We're going to split it into even balls. Remember, we're making chocolate popovers. We're using biscuit dough because it tastes really, really good with the biscuit dough. Fold it a couple times, incorporate the gluten, make it a little bit tougher, gives it more of a texture. The key to this recipe is a popover pan. We're going to preheat that oven to 425 while we're rolling these out. And then the rest is history. So here's our first one. It almost looks like just a pancake. You're going to fill it up and fold it over. I'll show you later. So we're going to set that on the side over here. Over here. Get our next ball. Throw flour on the surface. It's okay to use a lot of flour, guys. Don't worry about it. That's why they sell 20-pound bags of flour, so you can use it.
Nice. Next. Nice. We piping now. Alright, so we got that popover pan in there. It was like 15 minutes later or something like that. Watch out for that slicer. Dude, candy canes? Wait, not the best mitts money can buy. I think it was the dollar store. Alright, so the reason why we get the hot pan, the whole point of the popover pan is it creates gases, and well, science is use the popover pan. Just use it, trust me. Anyways, what it does is it first allows you to melt the butter. Ah, so hot. The trick is just use a fork. That won't be extra buttery. Swirl it around. We're only going to do 3 because we only made 3. Anyways, alright, so now we're going to fill it up with the pastry dough and fill it with chocolate. Dog, we forgot to do the chocolate sauce. Throw that back in the oven. Anyways, alright, chocolate sauce. Chocolate sauce, what it takes. Use that other 2 tablespoons of butter. Finest chips money can buy. Nestle Toll House. They sponsored this video. No, not really, man. I don't have that many subscribers. I need some more. Come on, guys. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. Come on. Follow my channel. Whatever. Anyways, you guys don't have to follow. I like doing this stuff anyways. It's pretty fun. Ah, dude, that's not a nut chip. kidding me? This is a whole bag. Look at that. Alright, now we're gonna add a little bit of secret sauce. Nothing secret about it, guys. It's literally just brown sugar. Don't tell anyone. And then egg sauce. Juice. Juice. Some more juice. Yeah, let's do the rest. It's just milk. I'm gonna microwave that. Microwave that for like, I don't know, however long it takes to heat up. No, really guys, I do know. Trick is with chocolate, make sure you do 1 minute at a time. If you do 2 minutes, 3 minutes at one segment, it's gonna cause that chocolate to burn. No one likes burnt chocolate. Well, people who like burnt chocolate do.
Bruh, we back. Alright, so our chocolate is cooking for a minute. It looks like that. Looks pretty nasty to me. Anyways, it'll look better. So we're gonna stir it up, stir it up, stir, 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 stir. Oh, we'll switch it. Everyone knows you gotta go clockwise, and then counterclockwise. Oh wait, that was weird.
Time for round 2. 1 minute.
Dudes, in reality, that literally took 2 minutes to cook this chocolate. Alright, so that's how you microwave chocolate. So this is gonna be the chocolate filling. They call it ganache. No, it's not ganache, it's ganache. But you can remember it by saying ganache. You know, like Gucci? I'm gonna make a handbag called ganache. Ganache! Now, maybe it should be some pants called ganache. Alright, so we're still looking pretty liquidy. Let's stir this around. Probably should have held back one of those slips of milk. Slip, slip! Stir, 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 stir. We'll go quicker. Hyperspeed. It's looking good, I think, right? Looks good, right, bro? Chocolate. Stir, 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 stir. Alright, guys, we are melting like hot. Alright, so let's add a little more brown sugar in there. No, 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 no. Now we're gonna stir it up again. There we go, that's what we're looking for. It's getting a little more thick. Next bad boy, some cow sugar. It's not a 4th cup you're gonna add to this. Oh, there's my 4th cupper. What am I doing? Pouring this junk? Forget that. If you ever want to taste something sweet in the air, just puff a bag of powdered sugar, man. I just felt like I ate a candy bar. What in the world? Stir it around. Dude, you guys gotta try these. These are like bomb. Bomb! Keep stirring. There we go, that's what we're looking for. So you want it to have like, you want to be able to swirl around, has a pour to it. You don't want it too thick, you don't want it too thin. If it's too thick, you're gonna get that chalk like peanut butter. You don't want that. Alright, so slap this sucker down, we don't want to burn the countertop. Wait. That's why you can't beat granite. Alright, so we got those butter suckers. So let's go ahead and take this. Start with a biscuit. Pop them down in there. Man, guys, this is pretty complicated. Alright, so I'm going to do this a lot easier. Let's go like this. Drop. Pull them up. There we go. Now we got some peanut sauce. We're going to fill it up. Fill it nice and thick. We'll drop in there. Don't be afraid to, like, tuck it up. Tuck, tuck. Add some more chocolate on top. Dude, no matter what way you put it, chocolate does not look ugly. I mean, poop is one thing, but chocolate just does not look ugly. Everyone loves chocolate. I mean, it's just a fact. Come on, guys. Everyone knows that. To help assist in this process, we're going to use one of these. Squeegee. Get the fork. We're going to squeegee this monster in here. Squeegee! Guys, go nuts with the chocolate. Don't be like chintzy. No one likes to eat one of these pastries and just get a whole chunk of dough. That's nasty. Make sure you fill that joker up. Tuck it in. Add some more chocolate to it. Tuck it in. Add some more. Tuck it in. I think we're good. Alright, so the next one. Same process. Go to the side. Fill it with chocolate. Actually, we're going to add some straight chocolate chips in this. This is pretty good too. This is later for another recipe, but it's like a dirty diaper. You're lazy with the chalk sauce, just put chocolate in there. It's easy. Dude, we just used almost 2 bags of chocolate. We only made 3 of these suckers. That's not good. Nah, it's good. This stuff's good for your soul. I mean, for crying out loud, it's COVID-19. Got nothing better to do, right? So it's time to eat some food. Make everyone feel better. More chips! Reinforcements! Is that enough? I think so. Alright, fold it up. We're gonna get chocolate everywhere, bruh. Alright, tuck it in. Try not to get it all over the pan. Best pan money can buy. Now we're gonna take this sucker, we're gonna bake it around, what is it, 450 or something like that? Nah, I said 425. Guys, come on, you're supposed to correct me on this. I'm just going off the top of my head. Throw it in there. And we'll be back in like 15 minutes or something like that. Alright guys, I just want to show you how heavy these jokers are. Look at this. Well, if I don't balance it out, they just like fall over. Alright, so pulling out, I just want to show you the detail of this. So you gotta spin them around just so they don't get stuck. Ah, we got one stuck. Let's pull them out. You can get out. One. Alright guys, chocolate popover right there, baby. That's nice.
Big time this popover is. Oh, look at that ooze. Yeah, that was fun. Alright guys, that's how you make chocolate popovers. Thanks for watching.
Look at this chocolate lava. It's melting. That's pretty sweet, guys. This is a popover. Popover on roids, chocolate lava. Chocolate lava.